This Poofzy Wire Shelf Liner set covers standard 24-inch by 48-inch wire shelves with a smooth, solid surface that keeps small items from tipping or falling through the gaps. The non-adhesive plastic material lies flat without curling, so it stays in place on metal racks while remaining easy to lift off when you want to rearrange or clean. Because the liners are fully waterproof, they work well in kitchens and pantries where spills and moisture are common, protecting the shelf below from sticky messes. The surface wipes clean quickly with simple soap and water, which makes it practical for high-traffic storage areas like utility rooms, laundry spaces, and garage shelving. Precut corner cutouts allow the liners to nest neatly around the posts of typical wire shelving, giving a tidy, custom-fitted look without complicated measuring. Each piece can be trimmed with ordinary household scissors, so you can adapt the liners to slightly smaller shelves, odd-shaped racks, or other storage projects around the home.